Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Here we go. Got the instructions, pretty nice, and it even has the holiday tech squad. Didn't know they had a holiday tech squad. I thought it was still called the zombie tech squad. It's different types of animatronics, but here's the adapter. Foam piece to keep everything nice. Nutcracker head. Well, top of head. I mean, yeah, head, technically. And the Nutcracker body. Let's unravel this Nutcracker body here quick. Might take a minute. And I'm gonna pause the video. Same day. I just changed though. And yeah, he's fully put together. And yeah, I'm super excited to see his demo. Let's see his demo quick.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, so I think I'll give him a 10 out of 10. Yeah, definitely. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, right there. Alright, well, see ya. See ya, bye. And Nutcracker says bye as well. See ya, bye.